is taking place. That's Nick in the background. No, we're not gonna be able to record while it's taking place, but we'll be able to get some shot before it actually starts.
Yep.
And afterwards, we're gonna go grab food, go to the mall, visit the farmers market. So guys, tag along with us. If you are interested in this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. So stay tuned. Okay guys, we are gonna head out. We're gonna leave the bus now and head out. Guys, we are going in. Let me put back my mask on. So nice. Excited, babe?
Mad excited, yo.
Yeah.
Mad excited.
This is so dope, guys. Wow. Come.
Dazzling effect of the theater.
Yes.
Quite.
Yes. Oh, yeah, I saw them. Thank you. Let's go on an adventure out in the wilderness with David. Yeah.
Freshly roasting in the lobby.
Yeah. We made it inside. Hey guys, we just got out. It was amazing.
Powerful. Really powerful.
Yeah, it was a really dope film, or what do you call it though?
Not like a play.
A play, right?
Yeah.
And you know, it just make you want to go deeper with God, and the message is just to be a man or a servant of Christ, a woman of God after his own heart. So that was really dope, and we are gonna check it out again when they have Moses or whichever one.
Moses is next
year, yeah. We are here with Nick. Nick, tell us a little.
Yo, you already know we in PA. Out here on Mel's page doing it big. Not lying. David was great.
Yeah.
Sight and sound. It's always a beautiful time.
Yeah.
Live animals. We even got some fake snow thrown on us, so it was pretty cool. Very powerful stuff. If you haven't read it, read the story of David.
Yeah.
First. And then come here and watch it, because you know the context.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah, that's what's up.
Yes, respect.
Splice Original.
Alright guys, we're gonna go in and get our food now. They say we're only allowed to sit at the section that has green card, so we're gonna go there, we're gonna eat, and let you guys know how the food tastes.
Miller's.
Thank you for your listening.
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna eat with the birds. People, food I got licking on a section a seat. I'm not sharing a situation.
Splice Original.
Hey guys, we just got done. Yeah, we just got done eating. The food was 4 out of 10. How much you rate the food? How much would you rate the food?
Probably like a 6 out of 10.
I give it a 4. So we're gonna go to the farmers market and look around and go to Tanger. So yeah guys, it's a good day, it's a great day. Cloudy. Stuffed peppers. No. Bacon jam. Shane, they got bacon jam. Popcorn. Look at this kind of jelly. Dandelion. And then you have bacon jam. And then bacon, egg, and cheese bread. Come on. I ain't with that at all. Guys, the in that store is definitely not. Nah, it's a no for us. We ain't in that kind of stuff, but it's all love anyways.
I mean, I would try the apple butter, but
You see the apple butter?
yeah.
Oh, Nick, you probably should have shown Nick.
Nick, yeah, he saw it.
Oh, but yeah, guys, we're enjoying our time out so
man.
far. It's great, but the food, not sure if I'm liking the food though. But we're gonna see what's up on the mall. But guys, this is summer. We outside doing it, enjoying life. Our 1 year anniversary is coming up in 2 months. 1 year no husband and wife initially. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned and then we will probably close out the video when we get the chance to. Shane is fascinated by the horses. The horse running down them each other. Let's see if we can zoom up on them. Where they at? One of them. There they are. Woi. Yo, guys, I'm wearing my fresh uppers today, okay? Her. Yo, this view is everything. Everything. Guys, we're headed back to the bus now to go to the mall. Yeah. Weather nice. Shane back there being Shane. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the bus. That's the bus over there. What's in route is? Are you gonna buy me some jewelry today?
Funniest thing I've heard all day.
Come on, money man. You're the money man now. Why you think I married you? I marry you for that money. That's your money. Just playing, guys. Oh, that's not the front door. Where the route is? Rooties. I take some shortcut now, people. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'm growing. Period. Am I not? Am I not growing, both? Growing and glowing. Glowing and growing. Glowing and growing. Stop playing with me. Ooh. Shane, you gonna buy me a dress? Look at who I'm going. See, yes, it is. Let's see what I can find here. My husband's gonna get me something really nice. I like this stuff as I walk in. How much for it? $69. They must be crazy and out of their mind. Poor. They gotta be out of their mind for this wire. Funny, this so much too, but $69. Funny, y'all crazy. Let's get out of here, baby. Guys, you know that store there? Expensive, but you see look a wire for $59? I could have slung and met that. I could have slung and met for $59. Yo, I thought that was a thrift store for real, so I don't know what they're talking about with that price. Well, get out of here. Get out of here with that price. I ain't paying no $59 for no. $59 for no a piece of wire. Must be bright. Bright and feisty. Yeah, we're on the bus here. First class. Up in the sky. No champagne, but we're still living the life. Or is that champagne that or water? It's broken. I think it just fell out. I hear champagne that. Yo, I just want to take off on a plane right here, so now, guys, and just go up on a vacation. For life. Yo, I'm going on tour. Passengers, this is their driver speaking.
Your driver speaking. stop New York City.
Yeah. When the man run you. We'll find by the bus car. We're here for you in here, so we'll come to save you. Alright. Next stop on the road trip is Bird in Hand Farmers Market. Yo, the name them down here so is unique. Even a bank of bird in hand. Okay. Alright, so let's see what they have in there for us.
What got going on? Yo, we're
Guys,
going into a new world right now.
We'll find something right up with Ali. Free food.
We're going into a new world right now.
But taste and see what the Lord is giving. Thank you for holding the door. Alright, guys. All sort of things in here. What is that? Rebecca, Faye, Williamson. Oh. Checkbook. Okay. Christ art here. Okay, I like these. Some of them light up too. Nice. Oh look. Covered in chocolate over. Wee. Wee, 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 wee. This reminds me of Wisconsin dolls. Oh, sugar-free almonds. I'm gonna get one of these. Guys, I got some goodies. I'm gonna show you.
I couldn't find you guys.
What I got? Got some chocolate-covered potato chips, some white chocolate almond, cashew patty, and then some chocolate-covered bacon. 1 second. Got some chocolate-covered bacon. 25 cents. You want some? Give me 25 cents out of this, please. There's one in there.
Okay, 25 cents in the spot. Oh, you got 30?
Put it in, you can put it on first. 25 cents?
Yep. Perfect.
Grab a cup. That's 2. Thank you. And then apple cider. Push. Okay. Can you get refills? Gonna try this apple cider, guys. How does the peach one?
Oh, I didn't try the peach one. I got the
What?
regular.
Oh, cherry apple cider.
You tried cherry?
Cheers, Nick.
You tried cherry?
No, the regular. Can you get refills?
I'm like, oh.
Yeah, that's good. Good money. Which one they got? The regular one? Like it? Try the cherry one now. Cheers. The cherry not bad. Let me make Nick taste it. Nick, the cherry one. We get a little sip. Me left some, we can try. We get Nick reaction to the cherry one now. Nice.
Yeah, that's different though.
Yeah.
It's the cherry one is different.
Yeah. That's what's up. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a taste test.
Alright, fam. We got chocolate bacon.
We have chocolate covered bacon. We have
Chocolate
almond.
What's this, turtle?
The cashew patty. Mommy, want to try it with us?
I love sweet, so that's some almonds.
Well, try this one first.
No,
try it. Yeah, let's try that. You can just break it back. You guys are gonna try the chocolate covered bacon for the first time.
Oh, there I am with you guys.
Yeah, you're here with the yeah.
Let's get a picture.
Alright, you ready?
Alright.
Picture cheese. Well, I'm with mom getting cheese. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah,
Say I
give
was
a
with you
piece.
guys.
Yes, mom. You know what I feel like mega like this?
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Set. Go.
Once it's chocolate. Real chocolate.
Like chocolate. Bacon is bacon.
But combine, the two of them combine, you like it? Bacon tastes burnt, yeah. It's not bad, but it's not something I eat a lot.
The bacon potato, the chocolate covered potato chips.
Okay. I know you're gonna like those. Okay, guys, what's good? Well, guys, the last and final stop is the mall. We're tired. Shane is tired. Hey guys, I am so tired. I am heading back to the bus. I got some stuff from Old Navy. Tiana, I know that would be your spot. Yeah. Yeah, I got one pants in there. I go by the bus now. Okay. Yeah. So, yes, guys. That's it. We're tired. Shane is by the bus. So, guys, again, thank you for watching. I already closed out the video. So, bye. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching our video and coming to Pennsylvania with us, guys. Today was a great day. We had a great time, and we just got to be outside enjoying the summer. And guys, thank you so much for just joining with Mela and Shane. So until next time, we'll catch you in our next video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
All right, bye.
Peace out.